Hi guys, Kimberly here to launch our stop motion at home competition. So at SmartKids we are launching our very first stop motion animation competition. So here are some things you need to know about this competition. 1. The theme for this competition is 58th year of Trinidad and Tobago's independence. 2. The age groups that are allowed to submit are 5 to 17 years old. 3. The length of your video must be between 1 to 4 minutes long. 4. Deadline for submitting your stop motion animation is the 24th of August. 5. SmartKids Educational Club will be posting weekly how-to videos as well as other content on how to create a stop motion animation. So be sure to check out our website smartkidsclubtt.com every week to see that weekly content to help you create a better stop motion animation. 6. Be sure to upload your video to YouTube. We will show you as the weeks progress how to do this. Any other information regarding this competition will be listed in the description as well as it will be posted as the weeks progress. So be sure to read all descriptions. And finally guys, be as creative as you want to be and have lots of fun with this project. Remember to keep within the theme and the length of your stop motion animation. I can't wait to see the videos that you will create. Bye guys, have a great one.